fireplace may be controlled using a Skytech remote system. You can identify this by the gray color of your remote. Now I want to show you how to change the batteries in your Skytech receiver. Below your fireplace, you'll find the black receiver box for your Skytech system. Be careful not to pull on it because you don't want these two black wires to become disconnected. So I want you to flip over the receiver and you'll see an arrow on the back panel indicating which way to slide the panel open, which will reveal the 4 AA batteries. You must replace these batteries with high quality brand name batteries to get the best operations out of your receiver. If you lose control of your remote function because you don't have batteries, this system can be controlled. Using this switch can turn the fireplace on or off manually.